Hey everyone! Have you ever found yourself staring at the ceiling at night, wishing sleep would just come? You're tossing and turning, hours are slipping by, and you're starting to feel the anxiety of another restless night. Believe me, I've been there. I know how important a good night's sleep is for our physical and mental health. That's why I wanted to share some natural sleep aids that have helped my patients, and even myself, get that much-needed shut-eye. In this video, we'll explore some powerful natural ways to unlock a better night's sleep. Let's kick things off with a classic remedy that's been used for centuries: chamomile tea. This beloved beverage isn't just a comforting ritual before bed, it actually boasts some impressive sleep-promoting properties. Sleep expert. Chamomile contains an antioxidant called apigenin, which has a gentle, calming effect on the brain. Think of it like this. Apigenin gently nudges your brain towards a state of relaxation, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. And the best part? Chamomile tea is incredibly gentle and safe for most people to enjoy before bed. Just brew a cup about an hour before you hit the hay, let the aroma relax you, and sip your way to a more peaceful slumber. Researcher? But hey, don't just take our word for it. A 2016 study published in the Journal of Advanced Nursing found that chamomile tea significantly improved sleep quality in a group of postpartum women who were struggling with sleep disturbances. That's the power of nature, my friends. Now, let's talk about the calming powers of lavender essential oil. You've probably caught a whiff of its soothing scent in candles, soaps, or lotions. But did you know that lavender is a secret weapon for better sleep? Health enthusiast. Lavender aromatherapy works its magic by directly impacting our limbic system, the emotional center of our brain. When you inhale lavender, its calming compounds signal your brain to release tension, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of calm. Think of it like this. Breathing in the aroma of lavender is like hitting the relax button for your mind and body. The research backs this up. A study published in the International Journal of Nursing Practice found that lavender aromatherapy was effective in improving sleep quality in people with insomnia. Now, here's how you can incorporate lavender into your bedtime routine. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser in your bedroom about 30 minutes before bedtime. As the calming aroma fills the air, you'll start to feel your worries melt away, setting the stage for a restful night's sleep. Valerian root, an ancient secret for modern sleep woes. Next up, we're diving into the world of valerian root, a powerful herb that's been used for centuries to promote tranquility and sleep. Legend has it that valerian was even used by ancient Roman soldiers to calm their nerves before battle. Now, I'm not suggesting you go out and conquer your enemies after taking valerian root, but its calming effects are undeniable. So, how does it work? Well, valerian root contains compounds that interact with our brain's GABA receptors. GABA is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate our mood and sleep cycles. By increasing GABA activity, valerian root essentially acts as a natural sedative, easing anxiety and promoting relaxation. But don't just take my word for it. A review of 16 different studies found that valerian root significantly improved sleep quality and reduced the time it took to fall asleep. That's pretty impressive for a humble herb, right? If you're interested in trying valerian root, it's available in capsule, tea, and tincture forms. As always, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Magnesium, the sleep mineral you might be missing. Now let's talk about a mineral that plays a crucial role in over 300 bodily functions, including sleep magnesium. You see, magnesium is like the conductor of our nervous system, keeping everything running smoothly. When it comes to sleep, magnesium helps regulate our sleep-wake cycles and promotes relaxation by calming nerve activity. But here's the catch. Many of us aren't getting enough magnesium through our diets alone. Stress, processed foods, and even certain medications can deplete our magnesium levels, leaving us feeling wired and tired. That's where magnesium supplements come in. Studies have shown that supplementing with magnesium can lead to deeper, more restful sleep. One study published in the Journal of Orthomolecular Medicine found that magnesium supplementation improved sleep quality in elderly people with insomnia. If you think you might be deficient in magnesium, talk to your doctor about getting your levels checked. They can recommend the right dosage and form of magnesium for your needs. Melatonin. Working with your body's natural rhythm. Finally, let's talk about melatonin, a hormone naturally produced by our bodies that plays a vital role in regulating our sleep-wake cycle. Think of melatonin as the conductor of your sleep orchestra, signaling to your body when it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. As the sun sets, our bodies naturally start producing melatonin, which helps us feel drowsy and drift off to sleep. However, factors like stress, artificial light exposure, and even jet lag can disrupt our melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. That's where melatonin supplements can be helpful. By taking a melatonin supplement, you're essentially giving your body a boost of this sleep-regulating hormone, helping to reset your internal clock and promote more restful sleep. Melatonin supplements are generally safe for short-term use, but it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking. So there you have it, 5 natural sleep aids that can help you unlock a more restful night's sleep. Remember, quality sleep is crucial for our physical and mental well-being. By incorporating these natural remedies into your routine, you'll be well on your way to waking up feeling refreshed, energized, and ready to conquer the day. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.